Hey friends, when we are running our e-commerce store using WordPress and WooCommerce, we have endless possibility to add feature at our website. In this video, I'm going to show you a very important and useful tool through which we can add or allow our customers to place orders on WhatsApp by adding orders on WhatsApp button everywhere, wherever we want throughout our e-commerce store, that is of course using WooCommerce. So this button can be placed on different pages and throughout our e-commerce website, and this button works really in amazing way to enhance the order and the ordering experience of the visitors, potential buyers of course. So let us take a quick and short demo. So this is the product listing page, and you can see there is a button, additional button, order on WhatsApp. So like this is a product and we can simply click on order on WhatsApp, and this button is available on product description page as well. And when we choose the variations, the order on WhatsApp is active here. And further we have a WhatsApp order offer, option at the payment segment of this order completion form. So whenever a visitor follow this path, the order can be sent to WhatsApp to visitor, the buyer. To make it more clear, I am going to play this video that is already available on the plugin page. So this is the product page, and the visitor is clicking on the order on WhatsApp page, WhatsApp button, sorry, and fills the credentials, the details of orders, and further clicks on the WhatsApp order payment option, additional option, and agrees the terms and places the order that goes to directly to the customer's WhatsApp. That is of course should be open on the another tab, that opens another tab, and that the order details go to WhatsApp. You can see this screen. So WhatsApp order details had been automatically sent to the WhatsApp, connected WhatsApp of course, and the admin at the same time getting the order details at WhatsApp. And further on the clicking on the link, like if the visitor is buyer is clicking on the link given in the link, so the payment can be completed again on the website, that is on e-commerce store. So this is the whole data path, whole procedure, how this plugin works. And this feature is coming from order on WhatsApp for WooCommerce plugin that is officially available at woocommerce.com. I'm going to add the link. Of course, you can buy the solution, and it costs a nominal price, yes, so $4.09 monthly. So billed annually, and $49 for a year, you can say. Okay, so now I have this demo website that we created in an earlier video. I have already installed the plugin on this website. I'll show you. This is the page, and it is available everywhere wherever I wanted to make it enabled. And yeah, I can see the buy on WhatsApp option is here, and further we can check this is WhatsApp order, and upon filling the credentials it takes on WhatsApp screen, and further with all the order details. So it is very simple and easy to use. You just need to install the plugin that I'll show you in the backend. So the plugin is installed. I'll show you the plugin screen first of all. Okay, so the plugin is here. Order on WhatsApp for WooCommerce, and I'm using version 1.2.9, and it has been developed by FME add-ons. They are very much proficient in creating WordPress solution. So FME add-ons are the original developers of this plugin. So okay. Now, if we talk about the settings, so we can directly go to the WooCommerce settings, and on the setting screen we have this order on WhatsApp, and we can go for different setting like how many numbers we want to add WhatsApp support, like enter WhatsApp number in an international format without any spaces, on which we are going willing to uh, enter the number on which you have created your WhatsApp account. Okay, so as an admin, and allow for payments method. If this is checked, the WhatsApp option will appear on all payment methods. By default, cash on delivery methods is allowed. Okay, and applied to all products. So you can choose on which products it should be applied. Like you can uncheck, and the button text you can change, the button padding you can change, and the button odd button border radius you can change, the button background color, the button WhatsApp button text color, the border color, the border width and width, and everything is customizable simply. So use default icon you can check, and the place button before add to cart option and after add to cart option is here, and open WhatsApp in the same tab or another tab or new tab. Prefilled WhatsApp messages, I would like to buy this product, and the create order in WooCommerce. Order will be created in WooCommerce after place order on WhatsApp click. So this is also a very important feature. So order is created automatically when the order on WhatsApp is clicked. And select the order status. Of course, the pending payment is here because payment is actually not taking place. So pending payment order will be created, but the order status will be like pending payment. However, you can change the order status as well. Further, we had enable WhatsApp button for logged in users only. So this is also a very good feature. Send pay now link on WhatsApp if checked. Will pay now link to customer on WhatsApp in case the order status is pending payment. So if we are selecting the pending payment, this is another useful tool that we can send the pay now option link to the customer. Further, we have option to enter the label for WhatsApp contact number input, like the enter label for WhatsApp contact number input. Okay, select branch like, and further we can add more numbers as well. At the time you might be willing to add 2-3 numbers as an admin, so you can add more numbers, enter the contact numbers in international format. So it is very simple and easy to use. You just need to fill and customize the uh, areas wherever you want. Further, we have share button customization option like show share button, and the button text, padding and color and all such settings is available here. Hide and show button option is also available. So WhatsApp button on the shop page, so WhatsApp button on the single product page, where we want to show or where we want to hide the WhatsApp button, it can be controlled. And the notification setting, like we can enable notification. If checked, notification will be enabled, and enable notification logs. We can keep the log of notification. Enable WhatsApp notification agreement checkbox. This is also available, and the Facebook WhatsApp API credentials can also be used to integrate. So it is full of features for giving an additional ordering experience to the potential buyers at our WooCommerce store by adding order on WhatsApp for WooCommerce. Of course, this is regarding an WooCommerce website. So I feel this feature is going to help your customers because WhatsApp is a very popularly used tool for communication, and if you are offering this solution, it is definitely going to enhance your order and number of sales, and the customers are going to use this feature for their regular interactions and all. So, and another thing, you can directly interact with the customers since they are responding on the WhatsApp. So you can immediately respond the customers on the WhatsApp as well. And if you have any question regarding this, and if you need any customization or installation support, we are just a click away. Start a chat at I create program. I'm going to add all the relevant links in the video description, and we can you can reach us on this live chat or through the starting the project. And I create is very interactive program for WordPress website, as you know. So I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel and watching videos for your WordPress solution regularly as well. So let us meet in the next video. I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. That's right. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.